This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Deborah Morgan. Lakefront maintenance free all brick ranch. +/1.93 acre lot west/152 of prime water frontage. Lighted walkway, pavilion. New, architectural style roof, 2 Trane HVAC units, carpet, interior paint throughout, and central vacuum. Split bedroom plan, hardwood floors, formal living and dining, great room west/soaring ceiling, master suite west/lake view, master bath west/huge closet, culture marble, jacuzzi tub and shower, granite counter and updated cabinetry, sinks, and bath hardware.Remodel kitchen, sunroom west/adjoining covered deck, teen suite west/full bath and 3-car garage with electric car outlet. Finished basement has media, exercise, recreation, storage rooms and boat garage/workshop. Irrigation system. Undercover patio and gutter guards. Beautiful sunsets. Ola Schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Deborah Morgan at 404-456-6770.